This is Glenn Scott the Painter, Sun City. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you would, please hit the subscribe and like buttons down below. It helps to encourage and make my grandkids proud of their Grandpa Glenn. Thank you. This is Glenn Scott the Painter, Sun City. We're going to demo this 3M 2-inch blue, and this is the original. And here's the problem with this tape today. Anyway, when you pull a piece to use it, like I do with cabinets, see what happens? It curls up. But every time you go to use it, it curls up. You got to untangle it. Look at that. Like I want to spend, it's adding like 2 hours to a cabinet job. And it's out of line. You guys are bad news. Junk. Now, this tape, the Duck Clean Release 2-inch blue tape. Now watch this. Oh yeah, much better. You guys need to find out, 3M, you need to find out where Clean Release is making their tape and send your products there to get made. That is perfect. Thank you for watching.